Hi everyone. Today I come back with another mapping, which is included with all the transformations and all. So many transformations, and it's a big project, a big mapping, big video I am doing, with combining all the informatica useful variables, mapping variables, SCD type 2 method and all. um, let's explain about the project. This is my project, business logic project, uh, given given by the client is it's a e-commerce project, and client is Capgemini. And here my source tables are Oracle tables. As I have to load the data from source table to staging area, staging to dimension tables, dimension to fact tables, staging to fact, sales fact. Here there is no data currently. There is no data in source tables. Select star from search customers. There is no data currently here, so I have to load the data. I have to load the data from flat files. Flat files data is there. I have to load the data from flat files to flat files to source tables, Oracle tables, five mappings, five sessions and all, flat transformation, and source tables to staging area. I have to load by implementing incremental loading of the mapping variable. I have to load the data, and I want to load the data from staging area to dimension tables by implementing SCD type 2. Five tables, five mappings, five sessions and all I am going to create. Later from dimension tables to five dimension tables to load the data to one fact table. So this is the project description, mini project description related to e-commerce. Client is Capgemini. Let's see, go with designing and all. Password admin. Yeah, go to designer. Actually, I want to create one new folder for this. Let's create a new folder. What is edit? Not designer, sorry. Here, folder, create mini project e-commerce. Okay, folder has been created. Mini project e-commerce. Let's check in this. Connect and disconnect. Yeah, mini project was open. Source analyzer. Drag sources, import from database. Search div 24. OTT SRC Dev 24 ADMIN admin SRC tables. Select all SRC tables, customers, locations. Sorry. These are the tables. SRC to these 5 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables. Okay. And go to target. Load the tables. D15 is my target. OT TGT OT TGT. Sorry, first staging table. Drag staging table. OT STG Div 24. First I am dragging staging table. ADMIN admin. Drag. Employee 10 is not my table. I dragged all the. See, first of all, I want to load the data from files to drag files also. Source. Sorry, targets. Here targets. Sorry. Clear all. Here targets are not STG, it's SRC. My targets are these 5 tables. Okay. Sorry. Not STG, it's SRC. SRC connect targets. Five targets. Now come to mapping. First mapping is SRC customers mapping. M underscore SRC customers. SRC customers. SRC customers. Here SRC customers, I have to change the data types. No, not here. See, here source tables are clear all. Here source tables are flat files. I already told previously. All files, not lookup. Info shades, SRC files. Here customers, SRC customers. SRC customers, my delimiter is tab, import from names from the first line. Next, customers, tab, next, finish. Now target customers. Here the data types are 15, 25, 25, 50, 10, 25, 8. Now 15, 255, 255, 50, state 15 or else 20, website 255, credit limit 8, date entered, customer name, number, customer name, address, city, string, city, state, string, website, credit limit, number. That's it, right? Ten to 55, 10 to 55, 10 to 55. This one is 8.2. That's it. Now drag customers. Flat files customers to source target source table. Auto link by name, by position, whatever it may be. What the hell, man? What the hell? Yeah, that's it. Control S, save. No need to apply any logics, no errors. Create a workflow, generate a workflow. You can generate workflow from here itself, from designer itself. You can generate reusable session. Next, src, okay. Flat files, okay. Okay, finish. Go to tools, designer, workflow manager, mini project, what are the workflows, drag to workflow, open it, customers, mapping, source is a file, tag, it's a txt file, text file. Start workflow. Failed. It's a simple mapping to SRC and bulk to normal. see that. Succeeded, sorry, it's a data file. Succeeded, data transformed. 319 records, we got 319 records. Later let's see after customers dealership. There are no records. Let's create one more mapping. Clear all, flat file connection, flat file source, flat file connection, dealership, import from first line, tab, next, finish. You already know about this. 15, dealership manager ID, the string 255, 255, city 20, state 10, region 15, date and tag. Okay, apply. Dealership is already there. Let's check it. 30 30 80 20, 30 30 80 30 30 80. Okay, let's check. Change 30 30. $80. That's it. Varchar total, varchar. Swing. Okay. Now create dealership mapping. Dealership mapping. Create M underscore DA dealer DAL dealership. Okay. Drag dealership. Drag source. Why it's not working? Auto link. Now create workflow, generate workflow, reusable session. Next, change OTSRC div, already it's taking. Okay, workflow and session. Okay, next, configure, no need to configure anything, just the properties change bulk to normal. That's it. Okay, finish. Dealership was finished. Again, connect and disconnect to refresh it. ADMI admin, new project, workflows, dealers, workflow designer, dealership, controllers, then no changes, start workflow. Failed again. Why? Any changes? Deleted. Cancel. What's happening? Why it's not working? Succeeded. Okay. Yeah, they are not 7 records entered. Now let's make it fast. SRC dealership file. Now source is, next source is SRC. What is next source? Employees. There is no data. I have to put the data from source to SRC. Now employee source file. Here is employee source file. This is employee source file. Import fields names from first line. X tab, next, finish. Yeah, check it. Employees table 255, 255, 50, 12, 255, 8. 255, 50, 12, 255, 8. 255. What the hell it is? 50, 255, 55, 12, hire date, salary, date enter, manager ID is 15, location 20 years, salary 8.2, date entered. Date and so many columns are there. Right, 54, number 50. Identity. Out of it. 55. Okay. Create mapping. M underscore MPLOY YES employees source table source employees. Okay. Control S. No errors. And generate workflow. Eligible session. Next, and give connections. Okay, next, configuration, just properties, bulk load, give bulk load to SRC employees table. Okay, next, finish. Again, connect and disconnect. Connect. Mini project commerce, tools, workflow designer, custom employees table. That's it. Start workflow. Succeeded. succeeded. Employees table also. Wait, search employees. Why we did not get the data? Plus data is there. Why data was not moved? Something we wrongly mapped. Metadata column employee does not match with the source column employee ID. Sorry, phone number will always, your phone number will be always M string. Okay. Next, date and time, decimal, string, decimal, date and time, string, string. Okay. Control mapping is invalid. Why? Search employees file, search employees source, search employees number, string. Home page mapping is updated. edit. There are data flow validation errors. Incompatible data types, source employee. Okay, phone number data type is not changed here, so that's why phone number data type should be always n string, because there will be some space is there for phone number. That's why due to that we have to take the data type, we have to change the data type to n string. So it was validated. Now refresh mapping has been reverted, control s updated. Let's start the workflow. Succeeded. Let's check the records. Yeah, records count. Okay, employees records was entered successfully. Now again source file, sorry, what is the table? Next table, employees products also empty. Now let's drag product source, products file. Okay, import field names from first line. Next, tab delimiter. Here see, all the files are tab delimiters only. Here tab delimiters. So that's why I'm taking tab delimiter. Finish. Now need to change the data types based on $255 2099. Description is 2000 9 2 9 2. Category ID, any number you can give. Date entered. Standard cost, description, date, standard cost, list price, category ID, it to be string and string. Check it, category ID what we took, category ID number. Okay, let's take it as a number. Category ID number. And string. That's it. Apply. Okay. Products. New mapping. M_PRODUCTS products. SRC flat file products, SRC flat file products, auto link, type position, what is this? Okay, control S, no errors, mapping valid, create or generate workflow, reusable session, next. And no need to change anything here. SRC table, configure from properties, bulk to normal, okay, next, finish, check it in workflow designer, workflow manager, connect, area name, admin, my progress, this tools, workflow designer, products, drag products, and start workflow. Let's check. Succeeded. Workflow succeeded. Session succeeded. Records also successfully transformed. Now next table is products over sales transaction. It's also empty. Now again drag the source file, sales transaction, input from the first field, tab delimiter, next, finish. Number, date, number 15, price only 8 and 2. Create mapping, M underscore sales transaction, transaction, okay. Let's go to drag sales transaction table from source, sales transaction SRC table from target table, auto match, by position, arrange all, control as valid, no errors, generate workflow, sessions, next, configurations, properties, bulk to normal, okay, next, finish. Again connect and disconnect here to refresh the workflows. Go to our folder, tools, designer, and sales is my workflow. Start the workflow, succeeded, okay, yeah. Now I completed one part. From source files to source tables, I transformed data source files to source tables. Here now I have to load the data from source tables to SRC tables to staging area by implementing mapping variable concept, right? Here from customers to staging table, customers, okay. Now in source already I dragged custom SRC tables. In target staging tables I also already dragged starting initially. So now clear all, drag SRC customers and target STG customers. No, already it is there. Map, clear all STG customers, mapping m underscore staging STG customers, STG customers was created. Now drag the STG SRC customers, STG customer. What is this? SRC customers. What happened? Why not able to drag? STG customers is there. SRC customers oracle table, STG customer oracle table, and mapping why? Why not able to drag? I didn't understand. Let's connect and disconnect one minute. Say changes in folder mini project enormous repository services. Source. Multiple STG customers. Now STG customers. What is this? What's happened? SRC customers. Sorry. Why it is not able to drag it? SRC customer, I have to load the data to STG customers. Why? Underscore STG customers. Here source not able to drag. SRC customers, clear all, okay, STG customers. Okay, now I have to load the data from SRC customers to STG customers table by implementing mapping parameter, incremental loading, mapping parameter variable, incremental timestamp. Incremental timestamp type date, default date is I am giving 01/01/1900. Okay, here create one flag, an expression transformation I am taking. I want to create one v flag, variable flag, FLAG variable flag. It's just variable. I want to be date and time, and the variable flag is nothing but set max value property. Set max value where variable operator, okay, incremental timestamp and port, transaction date, file date type. Here this setmax variable property assigns the maximum value to that mapping variable. Mapping variable is there, right? Already mapping variable we created. Mapping variable, for that mapping variable, this setmax function will assign maximum date from maximum value from these two dates. Incremental timestamp also a date factor, and transaction date also date factor. So in these two dates, which date is greater than maximum, that date will assigns to mapping variable. So that date will use helpful to input the records, insert the records, apply. Okay, now here we have to give the condition generate SQL where transaction date is SRC customers, where transaction date is greater than single quotations. Here we can variable this date. Okay, transaction date is greater than incremental date, incremental timestamp date. Incremental date already default we given 0101 0101. See here we given 0101 1900. After whatever the records are there in source table after 1900, the 1900 date, here remaining all the records will be entered into next table, transformation, next transformation. So 1900 is the default date, and later we given the condition here. If transaction date is greater than incremental date, then only records will move to next transformation. So 1900 is the very lowest date. The transaction date contains latest dates or 2003, 2001. This data is there. 2016 dated data will be present in source table. So all the records will be transferred to next transformation by this condition. Okay. Control S, no errors, valid. Create workflow session. Next, this is stage table, so you have to change staging table. Okay, SRC, okay, SRC table. Configure the properties bulk to normal. That's it, nothing is there. Okay, finish it. STJ customers, disconnect and connect. ADMI admin, workflow designer, dealership, employees, sales, customers, STJ customers. Let's start. Successfully transformed data from select star from STC customers. Data transform, total data will be transformed, 319 records. Okay, again now create for source dealership. Again source SRC dealership, target STG dealership, and mapping create m_DEA dealer SHIP dealership. For STG dealership, okay, drag SRC table. Or is every time why it is doing like this? Source ODBC connection, SRC dealerships. STG dealership. Where is STG dealership? STG dealership. Create a mapping variable. Create mapping variable. Incremental timestamp. Incremental timestamp. TS. String, not string, is a date type parameter. And we are taking default date 01/01/1900. We already know why we are taking this one, and here we have to write the query. Post generate SQL. There is no valid fields. Why? Cannot generate query because there are no valid fields projected from the source code pair. What is this here? What type of error it is? SRC dealership Oracle table. It's a Oracle table. Incremental timestamp. Sorry, flag. We have to. Let's see. Create. Here it will get generated. Okay, I got it. Generate as okay. Whenever the records move from fields move from one transformation, then only one transformation to another transformation, then only SQL query will get executed. Where transaction date is greater than single quotations, variables, mapping parameters, incremental timestamp. Okay. Apply. Okay. Here expression transformation, I have to create one flag. v underscore FLAG v underscore flag. Output port date. Output port setmax property function. Setmax variable. It assigns maximum value to the mapping variable. Maximum value to the mapping variable. Okay. Auto link. High position. That's it. Control S. Create generate workflow. Reusable session. Okay. Here staging should be there. Staging area. Okay. Configuration. Bulk to normal. Next. Finish. Control S. Okay. Again here refresh and connecting and disconnecting. STG dealership should be there. Again connect. Admin password. Many projects. Workflows. Tools. Workflow designer. Execute. Start the workflow. Running. Succeeded. Let's check. It completed. Yes. M underscore dealership stage dealership was completed. Here cars was transformed to 19 records STG customers. Now again do what is the next table? Employees. For employees table again, employees table again, clear all SRC employees, target STG employees, clear all STG employees, mapping M underscore STG employees employees. Okay, now SRC employee. Oh, what the hell it is? Again connect and disconnect. Every time I have to do what the hell? Unable to drag. I am connecting to connecting. It is taking time. Search tables. If you people know the solution for that, please suggest me. Mapping designer, SRC employees, targets, STG employees, create mapping variable, incremental timestamp, yeah, default date is 01/01/1900. Let's create v flag, transform all the fields to here, create one v flag, flag v flag, variable flag, transaction date. Okay, apply. I already explained about that. What is the use of setmax variable property? Setmax variable is assign maximum value to the mapping variable. Okay, that is the main function. Assigns maximum value, compares both the values which are given in the setmax value function, assigns maximum value to the mapping variable. Any mapping variable you given, that for that mapping variable it assigns maximum value. Now generate SQL SRC employees where SRC employees transaction date is greater than, then only it will execute. The transaction date should be greater than incremental timestamp date. Incremental timestamp date we are given as 01/01/900. After the records which are dated after the 1900, those records will be, for those records only this query works and entered into next transformation. Those records only. And this is the main motto of this incremental loading. Now auto link, sorry, check it. Okay, arrange all, save it, Control S, no errors, valid, generate workflow. Next, it's staging table, create on staging. Next, configuration change, bulk to normal, it's very low less records, that's why. Okay, next, finish, check it in workflow monitor, disconnect workflow monitor, workflow manager, connect admin, check in mini project e-commerce folder, open designer, workflow designer, staging employees, staging dealer was completed, staging employees, start the workflow. Let's see, pending, employee succeeded. Previously employees, okay, 107 records employees. Next, employees, later products table, let's check it. Not SRC, STZ. Product table also empty, you have to load the data from source table to staging table. Now again go here, go to clear all sources products, target is staging, mapping is mapping m underscore stz products. So now, okay, thank God, stz. Okay, now create again one mapping variable, incremental ts timestamp, variable string, date function, give the default date, any 01 1900, zero one, that's it. Okay, given create one flag to set max, to assign a value to set max, assign value to mapping variable. Okay, here v flag, fl is a v flag, set max value, it assigns maximum value to, it compares both the values and assigns maximum value to mapping variable. Validated. Okay, apply, and here create SQL query to get maximum condition. We have to write where condition, where transaction date is greater than single quotations variable timestamp. Okay, now auto link by position, okay, that's it. Arrange all controllers. Okay, create generate workflow session. Next, staging table, bulk to normal. Okay, next, finish. Check it, connect and disconnect. Admin, designer, designer, stages, products, execute, running, succeeded. Products is empty now. It will get records. How many records? 288 records we got. Okay, now what is the next products? Sales transaction. Sales transaction table. Here also no records. Let's transfer records from SCD tables. Clear all. Mapping. There is SRC staging. Clear all. Staging. Mapping. Create. M_, STG, sales transaction, sales transaction. Okay, which one? Here create one flag, variable flag, which is date parameter. Before that I have to create variable, mapping variable. Incremental timestamp. Incremental timestamp date I have to change to date. Default date we have to give 01/01/1900 is default date. And okay, now give that logic to get max value, assign max value to set max value to mapping variable, comma, put transaction date, validate, successful, okay, apply, okay, generate query, where transaction date is transaction count, transaction date here, where transaction date, where transaction date is greater than single quotations, mapping variable, okay, auto link by position, no errors, valid mapping, create workflow, next SSIN, STG, okay, next configure properties, bulk to normal, even if it is bulk also no problem, okay, next finish, workflow manager, go to workflow manager, connect and disconnect, again connect admin tools, start the workflow. Running succeeded. Currently no data. After completion of the session and workflow, let's check. Stay 107 records entered into this one. Okay, now mapping is from source files to source table completed, source table to staging completed. Now SCD type 2 staging to targets, dimension tables, dim tables, first customers. Now come to here, that staging customers, dim customers. Let's check dim customers. Select star from customers. No data. I have to load the data from customers to dimension customers, staging customer to dimension customers by implementing SCD type 2. Okay, SCD customers, staging customers, staging customers. I have to pull the source STG ADML, admin. We have to drag all the sources of stage table from here to deselect this one. Okay, STG table, source tables. Okay. Now target table also we have to put dimension tables. 15 TGT admin. Okay, sorry, okay, not 24, yeah, 15. Okay. Dimension table, 8 dimension order. Okay, pull it. Customer dealership, date dimension. Okay. I dragged all the dimension tables and fact table also. I dragged fact table present in target table. That's why we are going to use fact table also next time. Now create mapping underscore dim customers dim underscore customers. Okay, SCD2. Staging, drag STG. God, again problem. Why integration is doing like this? Save changes in yes. Admin is my password. Any project source STG is my source. Tools source analyzer, leader mapping, STG customers, target. activities, dimension customers. Okay, let's start the SCD type 2. Here we already discussed so many times. Here, first of all, we have to take expression transformation. I already explained how SCD type is working. SCD type 2 is working. I did one small mapping project previously. You can go through go through that video. Here also, one more time I will try to explain. I am creating one output date. End date nothing but say date entered means start date. Let's consider start date. For suppose here one employee joined in one company last year 2022, last 2 years back 2022 he joined. So that record will be entered. Entered he have some start date. So end date will not entered for the first time, because there is no end date for first time. Later again he joined in another company, so there will be one end date. What is the end date for that employee? The one day minus from that start date of the second company. 1 day minus of the one record was start date entered on 01 sorry. So for suppose 22 January 2021 start date, it was started for first time this record will get inserted. Here end date will be null for first time. Again this employee details want to enter already there, so it will need to update. In SCD type 2 it will get update and insert. So at that time, what is his end date? End date will be here. He entered again on 4th of for some 26th April 26th he newly entered into another office, or another entry will be on April 26th. So what will be the end date of the first one? 1 day minus 25/04 2021 will be the end date. So to get this end date we are writing again. If another instance was there, again here end date will be here, and another entry will be there on 8th of some 15th August 15th again. This is second time. This is third time entry. Third time entry. On third entry, it was entered on 15th August. So what will be the last date here? 1 day minus of the this starting date. This end date will be 1 day minus of the 1405 sorry 08 2021. Here end date will be calculate here 1 day minus start date of the new entry. In this way SCD type 2 will work. Inside the if end date is null, new record will enter. If end date is not null, any record already previously exists, it assign end date to that previous existed record, and for the second record, second entry, it will again get null and given null. If the third instance, if third time will be entered, the record will need to enter again. It will assign one end date. End date means start date minus 1 day before, right? There should be an 1 day before of the start date. Like that SCD type 2 will work. It will maintain SCD type 2 will maintain historical data of the employee and recent data of the employee or customer, any field. It maintains historical data and current data. This is the main logic of the SCD type 2, right? Let's write logic to end date. To get end date, what is the function? Add to date function need to use add to date, and here start date day single quotations dd again -1 single quotations -1. Here, oh sorry, for the number quotations not required. For numbers quotations not required. Okay, add to date. This function will give end date. Here end start date, it will go to start date. In start date it will only take dd day of the start date. From it minuses 1 day, and assign the end date to that already present record, second instance of the record, or else it will get update and again insert the record. This is the SCD type 2 main logic. If record is already there, if there is no record, it will be entered, and end date will be null. And second time, if the record is already present in second run of the session, record is already there, it assign end date to that previous record, and it will get update and insert as a new record. I hope you people understand my what I am telling. That is the main logic of SCD type 2. Okay, let's go to next transformation. Okay, now here, so one record should get enter, one record should be insert existing update. So I am taking three instances of targets, right? Okay, now take one lookup transformation. Dimension table, target table is the lookup table. Why I will explain it. Here remove unwanted columns for performance tuning purpose only. Okay, yeah, customer ID required and customer key required to get that key values. Customer drag customer one value here. Lookup transformation generates a lookup query based on this condition. Customer key, not customer key, customer ID input, only input. It is only input. Okay, apply. You can change this to LKP. LKP. Okay, lookup transformation will execute a lookup query based on these two conditions, and it customer key, based on customer key, selects customer key, customer ID, customer ID 1, customer ID 1 from STG customers table and customer ID from dimension table. Based on these conditions, it generates a query and creates a cache, one index cache it will create. From that cache it compares the values, it gives the results, what it gives, how it is giving the results. For suppose if customer id from staging table, and if customer id is already there in this, customer id is cust id from dimension table, cust id from staging table. If both are equal, equal means what? Matching. If customer id is matching, means what it means? Customer id means already in dimension table, dimension target table, both are equal, both are matching means what it means? Already few records are there in dimension table, so then only customer record id from staging area and dimension table will, if the ids are matching means already some records are there in dimension table. So if all records are there, then there will be here key also, customer key, it's a primary key, unique key. So if customer all records are there in target dimension table, record present means what? Already one key will be assigned, so key will be assigned means it is not null. If there is no records, that customer id and customer id 1 is not matching. Means if there is no records in customer id in staging area, there some records are there, 3, like some few records are there in staging area, but dimension table, target dimension table, initially it is empty, so there is no records, there is no records, but staging area have records. We lookup table already write some condition, we'll write some lookup cache. What is lookup cache? We'll write some select customer key select customer key from dim customer table. It generates and give a condition also, where cust id from dim table and cust id from staging area. Based on this condition, it creates a cache. So while comparing cust id is equal to cust id, while comparing, here are records are there, here no records, so it will gives 0. 0 means the statement is false. When the statement is false, customer id 1 is equal to customer false, and what we will get for this query, customer id key, customer key, we will get null. The statement is false. Here 0 is not equal to 1. So while comparing, this record is, the statement is false, it assign null. The statement is true, it will assign some primary key or any some id will assign. If it is, the statement is false, it will assign automatically null. So that null condition only I am using. So lookup condition, lookup key, customer lookup key is null, then insert the records. We are telling that informatical transformation, we are giving the condition. If customer key is null, then customer key is null, then what we have to do, insert the records. If customer key is not null, what we have to do, customer key is not null, see, if customer key is null, then insert the records. If customer key is not null, if customer key is not null means what we have to understand here, one-on-one matching is there, customer id from dim and customer id stays, matching is there, matching record is there, so already record is present. So already record is present means it will consider as second entry. So what we have to do for second entry, we have to assign one end date to first entry, and again it will be entered as, so we have to update end date, to the first record, and we have to enter that record freshly, we have to enter that second entry as freshly. Okay, here again it will be null. If this record was again come in the next run, then this null will be replaced, this record will be get update with date, end date 14/08/2021, like this it will get update and insert. So if it is null, record will get insert, customer key is null, record will get insert. Customer key is not null, record need to get update, and need to insert. Record need to update, first record need to update, and second entry should be insert. So update and insert. So for that, existing update and existing insert. If record is not there, employee key will be null, and we have to insert the new record newly. If customer key is not null, then we have to understand that there is already record present, we have to update that record, and we have to enter that existing record. So insert that existing record. So here three conditions we need to give in router transformation, right? Now properties, groups. Beauty of router transformation is we can create group. What is that? First group is new insert existing update. If existing record is there, need to update. Existing insert. If already record is there, need to insert. Here for what condition we have to insert the record is null. is null. What should be null? What should be null? Lookup key. Lookup key. If lookup key is null, lookup customer key is null, insert the record. Okay. If customer lookup key is not null, not is null, then update that record. Null, if it is not null means some record is there, then only it will show not null. So not null means we have to update the record and insert as a new record, right? Simple logic. Copy paste, same logic to here also, to insert the, right? Validate, okay, apply, okay, very simple. Now to transform these records into targets, 3 targets, one target is one target, not 3 targets, target instances we have to call as target instances, because it is only one target but we drag 3 times, we take 3 times, so we have to call it as instances, target instances. So first target, just name, just for denoting purpose only, just rename it, nothing will affect. New insert in SCRT, new insert, exist update, exist insert, right? Okay, apply. Here update strategies we have to use. Again, copy this, paste this 3 times. So for 3 target instances, 3 update strategies required. So here already we named new insert. For this new insert, rename it as new insert in SCRT, new insert, exist update, exist insert. Now minimize this iconic. Okay, drag all the fields. Lookup key not required, end key also not required, end date also not required for first entry, for entry purpose not required, end date not required, right? So drag it here in insert. Here update strategy we have to give numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 numbers we can give. 0 indicates DD insert. You can give numbers or you can write statements also. DD in SCRT insert, DD insert. Okay, it will insert the records into the target table. Again, here newly entered records. For newly entered records, every time we have to generate a key. How to generate key, new key? This is the one more interesting topic. Okay, see here, for newly entered records, there is nothing, no data present in dimension target table. So at that time we have to generate keys, unique keys. So generate unique key. How to generate unique keys? By using sequence generator. For newly record, end date not required, it will automatically assign null, so no need to connect for new entry records, no need to connect, no need to give any connections here. So here our next motive is to get customer key by using sequence transformation. Here in properties, go to property, means current value give 1, no problem, from 1 to IDs will get generate and connect to next value to customer key, right? Start date, okay, this will be first instance was completed successfully, right? Okay, team existing, it's an existing. Now existing update, existing records need to update. What we are updating here just date only we are updating, right? So nothing to drag anything, just date and okay, for date, for which column we have to update, that matching lookup key column, that column, which column, which row we should, sorry, not column, which row we have to update key, first key will be there, right? For this one, this, for this customer key 1 record should be update with end date, so we have to drag the end date field and lookup customer key field, so it will identify this strategy, update strategy transformation, identify what we have to update. Customer lookup key record should get update with the end date, right? That's it, nothing is there. Connect to end date and with that record should get update too, that's it. Okay, sequence generator, no need to use sequence generator because already record is there, means no need to again regenerate key for same record for update purpose. Okay, so you updated that record with the end date, so you have to insert that record, right, with new starting date. You have to insert that record with the new start date, right? So again drag all the fields, you have to insert that record newly, so connect it, I think that's it. And from here you are updating, you are inserting, right? Inserting means you have to generate key also, so that's why I am connecting sequence generator to current customer key. You need to generate, you are inserting record means you need to generate new ID, so that's it. New ID generated, new record entered, so there is no end date, so it will get null, it will update with null. That's it, very simple. SCD type 2 is very easy, but here we have to write one condition in lookup transformation. What is that? End date is null, where end date is null, condition we have to generate. Dim customers LKP customer key, dim customers LKP key, dim customers dot customer ID as customer ID. Okay, see, we given condition, right? Select dimension customers, dim dimension of customers, lookup customers key as lookup customer key alias lookup key, and dimension customers dot customer ID as customer ID from dimension customers, where end date is null. Dimension customers dot end date is null. So here, sorry, here we can't change. In router transformation you can change, no problem. It is router. Okay. Lookup transformation, it will generate like this. End date is null. End date is null. Customer LKP customer, yeah, alias customer ID, customer key and customer fields only it will generate, and this customer ID will be compared to staging customer ID, staging table customer IDs. Then compare, and if records are there it will give that, and if records is not there, lookup key will be null. Based on that condition we are executing this SCD type 2 logic, right? That's it. See, no errors, valid, that's it. Arrange in a iconic way, very easy. Generate a workflow. Next, here dimension table, it is a target table. Okay, lookup table also target table. It's a staging table, right? Okay, next, here one thing need to change. Okay, I will tell you. Wait, relation properties, bulk to normal. Okay, next, here I forgot to give, for insert I give condition DD insert. For DD update also I have to give it, right? Existing update. For existing update, what we have to give? Default taking 0. DD update command we have to give. DD update command is to update the records, and DD insert to insert the records, existing records. DD in SCRT, DD insert, validate, okay, 2 times. Yeah, it will get update in that workflow also, no need to worry. Save, disconnect, connect. Admin. Okay, service fail means something caps ADMIN admin. Any project, tools, workflow designer, staging, dim customers, dimension customer. Here we have to change for a lookup transformation. Here target object is target, right? Here we have to update this. Control S, save. Okay, so many are there. Let's check. Close it. Start workflow. Failed. Why? Sorry, here. Look up here. Condition, properties. Look up here. Something here. LKP I removed. No, see, LKP here is showing. Here I removed LKP. What's LKP I removed? That's why. I hope you understand. Remove. Where? Customers. End date is null. Let's check whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. It's working, right? Okay, apply, save it. Control S. Now rerun it. God. What the hell? Close both the things. Refresh it. Some changes happen. Let's start. Succeeded. See, if you want to see what happens, I already explained about. See, lookup transformation will write lookup query based on the given condition. Later it creates threads and all and transform data to target table. Okay, let's check data. You got the data. Dimension customers, staging customers, how much? Sorry. Staging customers, how much? How many? 319 total 319 got. See, in this way, look up. Customer keys, initially customer keys, initially it is null. After updated, it generated customer keys was generated by sequence generator, right? Automatically 1 2 3 we got. That's it. That's it from customers table. Little bit time taken. Let's see. Next table. What is the next transformation? Here it did not take much time. We will close it fast. Dealership. Okay, dealership. We already dragged sources, right? resources and target. So m underscore dealership, m underscore dealership, sorry, dealership, dimension, dealership dimension, okay, dealership dimension. And where is the dealership SRC? Not SRC, staging, dim dealership and stage dealership, right? Copy 3 times this one. Change the table names. One is like which one? New insert, new in SCR, new insert, apply, okay, new insert, existing update the existing records, okay, existing insert, and insert the existing records again, existing insert, okay, apply, okay, insert 3 instances of tables. Now what we are going to take, expression transformation, drag all the fields and create one output. What is this? One output and date. It's a date function. It's a output field means, okay. Change this as str to start date just for indication purpose only, nothing importance. And end date, what is the date function using end date, from where start date, comma, single quotations, date, single quotation, -1, update. I already explained what this function will do, okay, in previous mapping, okay. And let's take lookup transformation, target table is dim dealership, dimension dealership, drag dealership ID, remove unnecessary column fields, and okay, arrange like this, condition, not key, dealership ID and quotes, it's an input fold only, key, okay, condition, properties, you can generate here itself, generate this one, where condition, where dealership dot end date is null, okay, apply, okay, auto transformation, expression transformation, drag all the fields to auto transformation, and you go aside and drag lookup key to this one. Now 3 groups, create 3 groups. 1 2 3. One is for new, insert, exist, update, exist, insert, exist, insert. is null, start date, not start date, yeah, not a day. What's going on? What are the ports? Dealership key, where is the dealership key port? Dealership key port is null, dealership key port. Where is the port? Yeah, dealership key port. Yeah, valid. If dealership key port is null, then insert the records. If dealership key port is not null, update the records. It is null, validate, okay, apply, conditions applied, take 3 instances of one is to new insert, okay, exist, update, exist, insert, right, insert records. Drag all the new insert records. End date is not required. Already I explained why end date not required. Key also not required. It will generate. Sequence generator will generate key. Yeah, no need to change anything. Connect to dealer key and here to here, ID to ID. End date not required. It will automatically assign null. Here you need to give the command dd in dd insert, validate once, okay, apply, okay, right. Next, existing update, dealer key, particular key and end date is required. Existing update, right. Here no need to drag anything, just dealership key and end date how to get, I already wrote the logic. Here it's existing update means need to write condition of command dd update, okay, right, apply, okay. Again need to enter keys not null, need to update that record, need to insert. So drag all the fields again and generate new key, right, that's it. Here need to give dd in scrt, dd insert, dd insert, right? Okay, okay, apply. Okay, that's it. Very simple, simple and cool. Arrange all the iconic ways. Control S. Mapping dealership is valid with no errors. That's it. Completed. And generate workflow. Oh, next. Say STG. Okay. TGT. All are TGT. I can look up also TGT. TGT 15 is my target schema. Right. Nothing to change. Go to this. What is this? Normal. Less records. So, right. Finish. That's it. Okay. No other changes. Okay. Connect and disconnect. Connect. Admin. Admin. Workflow. Tool. Workflow designer. Here is my dim. Not dealership. Dim dealership. Right. Here we have to make some change to lookup transformation. Target is targeting. Otherwise it will not work. Okay. Valid, completed, no errors. Start workflow. Succeeded. Dimension dealership succeeded. See, previously $319 records, no, not customers, dealers. See dealership. End date na send as null. For customers also it is null. Customers. See, for customers also it will get null. If you enter same record, that first record will get update with the end date. Right? Updated. That's it. Let's go to employees table. Employees, STG employees. Same. I will complete fastly. Mapping. I already drive the sources. Dim employee es employees, dim employees. Okay. Stage employees dragged. Dim employees dragged. Take this one, which one? Expression transformation. Drag all the fields. Create one variable port. Not variable, output port. End date. Change it to STS start date. add to date function, we already know about that function. Ports, what are the ports? Comma, single quotations, dd, comma, -1, validated, okay, apply, okay. Next, lookup transformation, full dim employees, remove all the remaining unwanted, okay, apply, okay. Drag employee ID from this one, make it to input, give the condition employee ID equal to employee ID, okay. And take one router transformation, drag all the fields from expression transformation with employee key, and here generate the condition, properties generate SQL, where dot end date is null, end date is null, okay. If you want to test this whether it is correct or wrong, you can copy paste here, already right. See, working is empty, right? Dimension is empty, that's why it's showing empty, no records. That's it. Now create groups and auto transformation, 3 groups, new insert x update x insert is null. What is null? If employee key is null, then insert records. If employee key is not null, employee key null. If not null, then update records. Okay. Not null, update column, insert the records. Okay, that's it. So I have to take 3 instances, right? Targets. 1, rename, new insert x update x insert right. First one again, new insert, second strategy, update strategy, x update x in SCRT. Okay, right, that's it. Come on, let's go to new insert records, new insert records. Let's go back side. Yeah, give all the fields ID, employee ID, to generate employee key, unique key, surrogate key, we call as surrogate key. To generate unique key, surrogate key is connect it. That's it. You people take a rest. Okay. Update, exist update. Exist update means two records need to, two columns only need to, two fields need to update. One is employee key and end date. End date. So connect to end date. We already know how to calculate end date. And key to key. That's it. You take rest, people. Okay, next come existing insert. Okay. Now existing insert, all the fields should be there. So end date will be null. Key need to generate newly. So I am not dragging key. ID to ID, drag it, and from sequence generator, where is sequence generator? That's it. Lookup query there. Look, if you did not write lookup query first, for first instance it will work, but for later instances, later runs, later record updates, it will not work if you did not write this query. So lookup query should, you did not forget. So here insert, you did not give the update charging insert condition. Here the in SCD insert validated. Okay, insert, did insert update property dd update. Okay, in update strategy update command we have to give, and to insert the existing record again same condition, same command already given, new insert validate. Okay, apply. Okay, that's it. Arranging, control S, mapping validated, no errors. That's it. Very easy transformation, easy mapping. Need to change this staging area. Okay, target. Okay, target. Okay, target. Okay, all the targets. Lookup also target. That's why. Source call STG table from STG schema. Okay, configure bulk to normal, less records. That's why. Next, dim employees. That's it. To workflow, dim employees not updated, dim customers updated. Disconnect, connect, admin, workflows, dim employees, tools, workflow designer, dim employees. Here for lookup transformation we have to update target, this one, otherwise it will not work. Session will get fail. That's it. Control S, validated, no errors. Let's start. Running. Succeeded. SM employees, how many SM employees are there? Stage. Staging employees, all records should be there. 107. Here employees should be there. How many? 107. Okay, employees 107. Got it. is not null. Let's see. There is no records without null, without nulls. For first run, all the dates will be null only. Okay, completed. Which one? Employees. Let's go to products. Are you complete? Products. DUCTS products. Dim products, no records, but staging area products already there. I'll load it in previous DUCTS. Records are there. 288 records should be transfer from staging table to dimension table. Products staging table to products dimension table. Create mapping, m underscore dim products dim products. Okay, staging products, dim products 3 times, copy, paste. New insert capital, new insert ion set. What is ion set here? New insert, new apply. Okay, new insert, naming that new insert existing update update the existed record with end date, mostly end date. Exist insert T, not insert T, just insert. Okay, apply. Okay, update insert. Okay, now take expression transformation, drag this, create one output for 0 underscore end date. It's an output port. Change to date. Okay, name change to start date, sta start date. Okay, apply and take lookup transformation, dim products. Okay, that's it. It's an input port. Okay, condition product key, not product key. If product key and product key is equal, then give output. What is this? Product ID. What? Product ID data types not matching. how is it possible? Product ID is a decimal. Product ID is a decimal. Double decimal. Okay, change. Let's generate lookup condition also. From dim products, where dim products dot end is null, is not null. If you want to check this, you can check it. Now for the transformation, take router transformation, drag all the fields to router, take lookup, product key, go to create groups, 1 2 3, insert scrtm insert x update x insert and give the condition. What the hell, without condition why you existed? Is null if key, which key, lookup key, product key is null, not product key. Acha, no, not that key, this key. If this key is null, the difference is there. No, is not, no, it's not. If product key is null, is not null, then update it. Okay, apply. Okay, come, update strategies, 1 2 3. Don't change names. If you want to change, you can change. And just start date, drag it, connect it to generate unique keys, give to product. Again, existing update, end date and product key only need to update, and take the second one, connect to end date, product key. That's it. And take the third one and drag the insert, existing insert. ID to ID, next value to product key, and here the properties td insert td insert to insert the records, dd update validate. Okay, dd insert insert, so the existing record is there, need to insert, apply. Okay, that's it. Cool. Invalid. Oh, okay, wait. Product key connected now. And what is the candidate connected? Why? Where it is? Invalid symbol reference, candidate, transformation field, expression field. Expression field. Okay, sorry, we did not give the condition, that's why. End date, how to get end date? By using this function, forwards start date, comma, dd, comma, 01, validate, end date. Okay, apply. Okay, arrange, control S, valid, no errors. Okay, let's generate workflow, next, change stg, okay, target schema, connect to target schema, dim tables are from target schema should be given. Okay, next, change to bulk, properties, nothing will happen, but in bulk mode also it will work. Okay, control S, workflow, refresh. There's nothing but connect and disconnect. Okay, caps off, admin, mini projects, workflows, dim, products, right? Sorry, tools, designer, dim products. Here need to change for lookup transformation, mapping, lookup transformation value should be use object tzt. Okay, apply. Okay, control S, valid, no errors, generate workflow, running, succeeded. You can see assigned values, then products 288, I think. Yeah, 288. Next, what is the mapping? Then products component, sales transaction need to do. Let's see. One more mapping, create m underscore, dim sales transaction is required. Transaction, okay, stage transaction dim dealership. Five plus 4, 9. Okay, sorry, here to here 5, source to source 5, source to stage 5, here 9. That's it. This sales transaction not required. This one already a data. Sales transaction not required because to payment mapping. Right, 4 plus 1 final mapping is there. Sales transaction, for sales transaction not required. Let's see. Here already completed 5 mapping, 5 sessions from source to table 5, table to staging 5 plus 5, 10, staging to dimension 4, 14. One more is there. 15 mapping, 15 sessions, 15 workflows, stage 2. So